Hey guys, and welcome to our 4th episode of 7 Days to Evolve. Shorty, talk louder this episode because I've been getting comments saying that they couldn't hear you because you weren't talking loud enough. Talk loud. Here, talk. Here, that should be good.
Alright, is this good?
Okay.
Kind of yelling. I don't care. I'm gonna just put my microphone right here. Is that better?
Yeah, I also turned up the volume on my iPad. Hopefully that'll be good. So, yeah, guys. So, this is our 4th episode. If y'all didn't see last episode, we built a smeltery, we got armored up, and we went to the nether. I also rented a place in the hotel, Shorty. By the way, I made a mob grinder. Off camera.
Really?
Yeah, look, follow me. I put it inside the hotel. Do you wonder what that big lump over there is in the hotel?
Yeah.
That's my mob grinder.
Alright, and also I got a wolf backpack. We may have gotten limited iron and got cleavers and enchants.
Okay. I believe it's the 3rd floor up. Yeah. Okay. Starts the room. This is my room so far. Who keeps breaking my mob grinder? Lag, move.
I'm not having any lag.
I was lagging a little bit.
Wow. I'm actually gonna check out their ranks.
The ranks?
Yeah, their ranks.
At the server?
Oh, never mind, I can't get them.
Why, do you not have any money? I was thinking about getting a rank, but I decided nah, since we're doing a YouTube series. So that's the only reason, guys, I'm doing it for you. Pretty much all I've really been doing off camera is just getting a bunch of extra food.
Oops, I'm stupid. I forgot that I could transfer it into USD.
Oh, did you think? Dude, don't buy it though, because otherwise it's kind of cheating. Because we're doing a YouTube series.
How is that cheating? I can get it. I want to be the general rank because that's actually a cool rank. 12,000 in money. Alright, there we go.
Don't buy it.
Alright, I will buy it.
You're not allowed to.
Oh, you're evil.
I said so. I'm looking through everything on tab. I want to.
Ooh, can I just buy the $5 ring? All it does is it gives me a free fix, and I can TP you, or I can TP people to you, and I get 2,000 money.
Okay.
That seems fair enough.
I guess.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
But buy it for me, I'm just kidding.
I actually could buy it for you, but I don't want.
Please? Yeah, I know you're just lying though.
No, I actually can't. Because
I don't have any money right now.
It's because the Freddy plushie refunded because they were out of office, which it's stupid because they bought it because they made a sale the day before they go out of office, so then they refunded it. So if they don't come back,
then you'll give me one.
Then I get $30. If they don't rebuy me on the 1st of September, then I get money. Then I get $30, and I just yanked out my tooth. So now another tooth because I'm awesome. And so I got my
your tooth fairy money.
I got $5.
And the tooth fairy, look, you only get 2.
Ow! No, don't.
I know. I'm not. Sorry, people are calling us on Skype right now. I'm looking through everything on tab. Portal gun. Let me make a portal gun. Let me make a portal gun. Yeah, I'm gonna go dungeon looking. I'm gonna go.
Oh yeah. This should be the main part of the episode. Let's go dungeon looking.
Let's just go mining this whole episode.
Mining? I thought we should go dungeon looking.
Yeah, which we're gonna have to mine to do. So here, I'll go make us both a stone hammer. Or should I make us both an iron hammer?
Why? Why a hammer?
Because those mine 3x3 areas.
Oh, that makes sense. Can't we make like iron hammer? Oh yeah.
We only have half a stack of iron in there, though, so we need to put more iron into the smelter.
Dude, if we find another stronghold...
Actually, I think I'm gonna go back down to the stronghold and go get some more iron doors.
Oh yeah, dude, let's get some more iron. Dude, I only have 5 blocks of iron.
I've got 39 ingots in my inventory. Why is it so dark?
Oh my gosh, dude.
What, Heather? No, Heather, I'm recording right now, so shut up.
Yeah, that's him when he records.
Heather just... I found the end portal!
Everyone found it.
Dude, no! There's no Eye of Enders in it.
I know.
And there's only 2 strongholds per world.
Yeah, we got one.
Yeah, so that means either the Ender Dragon hasn't been killed yet, or somebody else found the other stronghold.
Dude, because no one found our stronghold yet.
Yeah, which means we may still be able to kill the Ender Dragon. Which we'll probably do later, once we get more Ender Pearls at least.
What do we do with that?
What do you mean, what do we do with that?
What do we do with getting the Ender Dragon, like...
We get a dragon egg, and we get to be cool. And we also get about 8 million levels.
Can we even craft anything with the dragon egg?
Probably. Let me look. Dragon egg. You can make a dragon backpack.
Ooh, that would be awesome.
No, we're not making that. I was being sarcastic. Stop calling me Tanner.
Dude, we have enough materials to make that thing.
Yeah, except for the dragon egg and the ender pearls. The ender dragon will be a hard fight, though. We definitely would have to armor up some more.
We need obsidian, endstone, ender pearls.
We have the obsidian for days.
Dude, all we need is just a bow.
I have or boomerangs. We could use our boomerangs.
No.
Fine. I have a crossbow. Would that be good enough?
A crossbow?
Crossbows are better than normal bows.
Crossbow.
Heather, we're in a stronghold right now looking for iron doors. What? No. Because we're probably going to record the next episode right after this. Too bad. Call him on Skype.
Well, I don't want to talk to Tanner right now.
Neither do I.
We're busy.
This is rage.
And they're spamming me.
He hit me.
Oh, I found 9 door.
I have 8 so far.
My gosh. We're gonna be rich.
We already are rich, actually, while I'm down here. Might as well go. We're gonna get more rich.
Actually, we're getting kind of poor.
On iron?
Yeah.
No, we're not.
5 blocks, not that good anymore. We used to have like 15.
Well, yeah, but then I use most of them on stuff off camera. And just so y'all know, guys, just so y'all know we're not cheating here, I'm gonna type /game mode C, and y'all can see I don't have permission to do that. So, yeah, you can tell that we're not cheating anything in, because we can't.
Yeah, we can't cheat anything in, because...
The only thing we could cheat in was from other people, which isn't really cheating, because we trade them and we lose other items.
And, also, this stronghold, you see everything, right? He's probably showing you, like, he's probably took a tour of, our generator and everything, so.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna actually mine some of these iron doors. I mean iron bars, not too many though. I'm only mining iron doors and iron bars. That's all I'm mining. I think I'm gonna go home after I get I'm gonna go home after I get half a stack of iron bars, and then we can go smelt all of it.
Oh wow, it's a high level. It's a skeleton. Dude, these cleavers are awesome, but if they didn't give slowness, I mean, if they didn't give mining fatigue, I'd be happy.
Yeah, I know. That's the only bad thing about the cleavers. They're really overpowered, but they're balanced.
Dude, is there any sword in this mod pack? This mod pack that's better than the cleaver?
Let's find out. Sword. There is a lot that I can see. So I don't think there is.
I got half a stack. I'm going back to Northwest.
There's I mean, there's probably you can even upgrade these cleavers to make them do more damage.
Can you upgrade? Upgrade?
You can make it do up to 30 damage.
Can you upgrade one to
Manolin?
Can you upgrade one to stop giving slowness?
No. You mean mining fatigue? You need to learn to say the right word.
Hey, stop it.
No. You're just a hater of... Oh crap, I found a hole.
I haven't seen any shiny ore at all.
Yeah, right there. I've only seen it in the nether off camera. I did some more mining in the nether off camera.
Wait, is it rare not in the nether?
It's still rare in the nether, a lot. It's a lot rarer in the nether too. Because you get double it. It's just still pretty rare though.
What can I do with this cobalt?
Cobalt?
Yeah.
You got cobalt?
I have three cobalt ore.
That's one of the components for manolin.
What do I use for that to make?
Manolin? You also need ardite. You know what manolin is.
Yeah, you told me. I might make a bow, and then I can use that to fight the Ender Dragon.
We're not gonna be fighting the Ender Dragon for a while.
I call the dragon egg.
I call we share it because we're probably both gonna be doing an equal amount of damage. Guys, don't ask me why I'm getting lapis. Don't. 28 lapis. That's kind of crappy. It'll do though. I wish I could pulverize lapis, but I can't because all it does is turn into industrial stuff. Like this industrial craft tin, it turns into lapis.
Do you like Tanner to this size?
No.
He could be our driver.
What?
He could be our driver, Tanner. We can run it just seriously.
No, I don't want Tanner.
Alright.
Tanner's a jag.
What happened?
What do you mean what happened? He's just a jag.
Oh wow.
No, somebody's trying to steal our wheat.
Someone's trying to steal our wheat?
Yes.
So, oh gosh, I don't like a wheat.
Okay, dude, put in your iron doors.
I only have one, I think.
Then put it in.
Oopsies, boom, and then boom.
I was just to say, yeah, I'm gonna put in another bucket of lava. Actually, I'm gonna hide the lava so nobody steals it.
What are we gonna do with this gold?
Make cast out of it. Look, we have one molten manolin because why not I use the other and get a manolin for it? I made an axe of despair. Other known as a manolin axe with obsidian
Is the axe of
handle.
despair good?
It's a manolin axe head and an obsidian tool rod. So yeah, it chops. Even with tree capitator mod, it still mines extremely fast. I have 31 iron bars still. I'm gonna have so much more iron. Did you make another block of iron? Yeah, I can make another. We can make another block. We could put ice in the smelter and make molten water.
Molten water?
Yes, doesn't that make a lot of sense? Dude, actually, we're idiots. Oh my gosh. I feel like such a dumbo right now.
What?
Why are we draining out the freaking iron whenever we're trying to make iron hammers? Because we're idiots. Okay, let me make a hammer cast real fast. Okay, take out the stone hammerhead, throw it over there in the corner where it belongs.
What about iron hammers?
Iron hammers, that's what we're gonna be making. That's why we got the iron. We were just dumbos and forgot that we were making. Lag. Oh wow! That's a lot of iron. We have 53 ingots. Okay. Lag. I'm lagging, I think. Am I? Why do you keep trying to make freaking gold blocks?
I don't know.
I'm gonna complete it now, just so. Stop trying to make blocks, dude. Because I'm not wasting gold again, the second time. Stop it.
I'll take it.
No, I won't. I have faster clicks. Done it.
Yeah, I do.
I donated a freaking gold block to somebody. And now don't click that. I'm trying to make us our hammer.
Fine.
I actually need to light up this area over here to keep mobs from spawning. Oh crap, I picked up the hammerhead. Okay, that's one. We need 2 of those.
Dude, are we satanic? We have a blood furnace.
What do you mean a blood furnace?
I call it that.
You mean a smeltery? Okay. Can you click that faucet? Okay, never mind. We're gonna have bronze handles. Actually, you know what? You know what?
Whatever happened to our shower? We never use it anymore.
Yeah. Cause you're a stupid face who wasted some iron on it.
You took. You know what? It was only 3 ingots.
I don't care. It's still a waste of iron because we don't have much iron now. We only have 39 ingots in my inventory.
I have 6 blocks.
And I don't. Okay. I'm making us our things. We have 4 ingots in there right now.
I have almost a stack. I have about a stack of iron.
Okay. There we go.
So what would you do if the world reset?
I'd kick you in the face.
Okay. Me? Why me?
Because you're the owner.
I'm the owner?
Yes.
Alright then. As I'm the owner, you need to bow down to me.
No. I have a better idea. I can burn you with lava.
Yeah, well I got a stone hammerhead. Hammerhead. I'm eating some beef jerky. I call it beef jerky, but it's actually monster jerky.
Okay, our hammers are almost finished. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. I'll be able to mine.
Like a boss?
Like I can't even before. Hashtag mine.
Hashtag quitting. Hashtag deal with it. Hashtag seems legit.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm making the hammer. What do you want your hammer to be called? I'm
Doge
getting
Hammer of Awesomeness.
what? Doge Hammer of Awesomeness?
Basically.
I have a better idea of a name for mine. Hammer that Put that. Put that. Put that. Mine's gonna be called the Giga Drill V.1. I mean V comma MK.1 or MK1.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be the hammer that starts you dead. That starts you as a pro.
What?
The hammer that starts you as a pro.
Just
If you get that joke.
no, I don't. So you want yours to be Doge Hammer of Swag?
Yeah, I'll take that.
There we go.
Give me my
There it
hammer.
is. There's on the ground. Look, ours are different too. Our lead part. Look, so the bronze is the tool. So the tool rod is made out of bronze. The hammerhead and one of the large plates are made out of iron, and one of the large plates are made out of lead, just for that reinforced one. Look, look, come outside real fast.
Come outside here.
Yeah, hold up, let me get my steel pick real fast. Hold up. Ah, lag. Hey, I'm just gonna do. Here, hold up. Hold up, I'm lagging.
No, dude, that steel pick takes forever.
No, it's because of lag. I'm getting block lag. Here, okay, look. So this is what it does. First of all, okay, watch.
Hey, it's like tree captain.
What?
It's like tree captator.
No, it's not. Look, it only digs a 3x3 area. Look inside the mountain. I'm just. See, it's good for vein mining.
Wait, I have a question. What happens when you get ores?
Like if for say, like if there was like an ore, like if for say like right here, and you were breaking a block like right here in the middle block, it would harvest it.
Really?
And I'm pretty sure that the repair material is indeed iron. Yes, it is.
Wow, we're rich on it.
And we can mine any block with it, except for
What?
except for like mandolin and stuff. Here, I'm gonna go relog real fast. Sorry guys watching the video, I need to, just so I can fix this block lag, and then yeah. So now let's head down to layer 11. Actually, let's head down in our spiral mine, and then let's
Wait, did you
lag. I think I might have just crashed. I think I accidentally hit F2 and took a snapshot, and it froze my computer. Okay, F3. Okay, so let's get down to layer 11. For those of y'all who didn't know, layer 11 and layer 12 are the best levels. Maybe I should have brought some wood for torches. Nah. Sorry guys watching this at home. I'm sorry if y'all can't. I know, but for the viewers, so they can see what we're strip mining. Okay, it does. Our spiral. Here, move.
You seriously gonna be oh wow.
Am I a cheeky one?
You're a cheeky one.
I'm a cheeky one.
That was the worst one I think I've done.
Okay, and now choose your own direction, shorty, because I'm going this way. I'm pretty sure, yep, it can mine redstone. It can mine iron.
I might have took the light down.
Why?
So I can put it down here.
Okay. Here, you mine any useful ores that I, like, miss on the walls? Because I'm just gonna strip mine like this. You mine...
Stuff like redstone?
Like, you mine... No, we have tons of redstone.
Oh wow.
Redstone's kind of useless right now. I have, like, a stack in my inventory. Oh, dang it, I'm still... Alright.
I hope we find coal on the way.
I'm gonna ask anyone, how do you get a portal gun? Question mark. I'm pretty sure you get them from dungeon chest, or like stronghold chest, or village chest. No, not village. Just actually.
Hey, we need to find a village.
I'd probably already be looted. What am I in? Stupid gravel.
I remember.
Okay, guys, I think that's about gonna wrap up this episode for today. I think we're just gonna do a bit of strip mining off camera. So yeah, we'll see you next time. Goodbye.